call HelloWorld program because this is our starting. Let's make this. So we have to search for Sublime, and we are using Sublime text editor. I love this, man. And this is preprocessor directive. It means something needs to be done before processing. And IN include, and you probably hear about this. This means include this library. And this is one of the library in C++ that's called IOStream, input output stream. And using namespace std, that means so cout, just write this is hello world program, ma'am. Simple, that's it. And return 0. This is so simple. Why we are returning this? Because this is a returning type function. We have to return something when we use return function, okay? And if we use here void main, then we don't have to return anything. That's cool. Before compiling this, we have to save this program. Just name this hello world. Hello world, WORLD. It's .cpp. Not in Python repo, in CPP repo. Where is that? This is this. And press enter. Replace, of course, replace. Let's compile this, babe. This is hello world program, ma'am. That's what we want, man. That's what we want. Have you got this? Let's run into another program. See you soon.